everybody, Chef Seymour here, and today is the premiere episode of Cooking with Chef Seymour. Today's dish will be a Chicago staple. I am going to do my own spin on Harold's chicken. First thing you want to do, you want to get you a giant Ziploc bag, a cup measuring cup, and then some flour, and then seasonings of your choice. So in our bag of flour, you can add your select seasonings. The secret key to crispy chicken is a tablespoon of cornstarch. I don't know about y'all, but I rinse my chicken because I want to get all the stuff, the unedible stuff out. But what we're going to be seasoning our chicken with is some paprika, black pepper, Italian herbs, and some Cajun. Our chicken is colored. We want to mix it. Make sure you have gloves or you have sanitized your hands before. You do not want to spread germs on your food. Now you're asking, Chef Seymour, how are we going to get the flour on the chicken? I'm glad you asked. All you need is an egg, some water, and a cap full of milk. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make an egg wash. The egg wash acts as a glue, so everything binds together. The thing I whisked the egg wash with was a fork. If you have a whisk, great. Doesn't really matter what you use. Now we're going to prepare the chicken to go into the fryer. Now you want your egg wash to be a little bit of a pale yellow. You want that color so it adds color to your chicken. We're going to dip it in our egg quickly. Make sure it gets all colored, and then we're going to drop it in our seasoned flour mixture. We're going to close up the Ziploc bag. We're going to give this a nice shake till it's fully coated. Take off all the excess flour. Completely, you drop it in your fryer. Set your oil to 365, then drop it in the fire, and then cook for 12 minutes. Just look at that. Look at this nice golden color. Now repeat the same step to all of them. Make sure they're golden brown. To talk about this experience, it has been a messy experience and not a really time-friendly experience. One thing that I know I have to work on as a chef is my timing, everything coming out at the same time. But anyway, back to the chicken. No Harold's meal is complete without your fries. Those are pretty easy to cook. You just drop them in and you fry them. And then you cook them to have them. No free piece of fried chicken is not complete without your choice of oil. People can use canola vegetable, some can use yard. But personally, me, I like to use peanut oil. The reason why being is because peanut oil is not like other oils where it burns quick if you leave it on. And it has a good temperature. So, that's why I use peanut oil. The key way to know that your chicken is done is when the bubbles start to go down and then your oil starts to get cold. And then also, we have transported our sauce into our sauce bottle. So that way, it's easier now for everybody to get on their chicken. Now let's get a whiff of this chicken and these fries. And we're all done. Every Chicago-style chicken dinner is not served correctly without some coleslaw and a nice, healthy slice of bread. I'll see you in the plating. To top it off, we have our homemade mild sauce. You know, some people like it on the side, but I like it all over my chicken. Now here we go. As you see, we are done. And final product, everybody. I thank you all for joining me on my season premiere of Cooking with Chef Seymour. I love all my foodies, my foodettes, my supporters. You guys know I love you like I keep saying. And I'm out.